Hello everyone, and welcome to our brand new audio blog. Each week we'll be posting helpful tips and tricks to help business owners and marketing managers gain a larger audience. This week we're talking about how quality video production can boost your sales. So let's get right into it. Is your product video generating leads for you? Gone are the days when it's acceptable to post a blurry video on YouTube and expect to get a substantial amount of views. Now, when people even see a brief second of video that makes it seem like their YouTube quality settings are permanently stuck in 480p, they run for the hills. And rightfully so. The tools are freely available and easily accessible to video content creators to create high quality, aesthetically pleasing videos. So why not take advantage of them? High quality video production is essential for bolstering the success of your online business. Even if your products and services are not specifically geared toward videos, for instance, if you sell clothing or gardening tools, visual content is a significant boost to the reach of your marketing. It reaches potential customers in a way that text or audio-focused media could not, and therefore strengthens the performance and palatability of your business as a whole. The importance of video quality for web professionals. Okay, so let's just get this out of the way. Is there cheap camera equipment available online for you to purchase? Yes. Should you purchase this equipment to produce your videos? Probably not. Should you be producing your video content on your own no matter what your experience level? Definitely not. Jumping into video production with little to no experience is a disaster waiting to happen. Count on the pressure being even greater if the success of your business is affected by your ability to produce engaging, relevant content in a high-quality video format. This is a lot of pressure on a person in the business they're working to build. That's why it's important that when entering the planning stages of video production, you need to have an experienced videographer and producer on your side. Whatever you do, do not compromise the quality of your video just so you can afford the help of some random person that says they can make videos. To attain real substantial success from integrating video content into your business activity, you need to be ready to make the investment. Producing low-quality videos, and we're talking about sound and visual quality, production value, writing, and everything in between, can do a lot of harm to your business's reputation. When people see blurry, poorly edited, bad-written advertisements, the opportunity for building a rapport between the business and consumer base is significantly damaged. Additionally, it may bring to mind the question, if they put this little effort into their advertisements, how much effort do they put into their products or services? The last thing here, guys, is have fun with video production. Few things are more infectious than a smile and some staged laughter. Kidding, but you get the point. When you genuinely enjoy the process of planning your media content and professionally shooting your video, the positivity is palpable and will serve to build a great rapport with your clients. Besides, it's easy to have fun when you've made the decision to hire professionals. After all, choosing a set and reading scripts written by professional writers will make you feel like you're filming the next big box office hit. Above all, remember the process of marketing your business using videos should never be one that is exhausting and laborious without some inkling of joy. It is your products and services that you're promoting. Enjoy it. Take pride in it. When your audience sees the amount of passion that you have for your work through the effort you put into your production and can pick up on your positive film experience, you'll begin to see a growth spike in your business unlike any you've had before. This article was written by Matt Cassidy, our social media content writer, on February 13th, 2020. We post new blogs every Thursday, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to this newsletter by hitting that big pink subscribe button to get the latest news, blogs, videos, and updates to help your business grow. I'm 𝗫𝗏𝗏, your narrator for Cubed Agency's audio blogs. Catch us next Thursday, and don't forget, create content with purpose.